If you want to see how I got this short hair transformation, keep watching. So I'm back and my hair is blow dried and ready to go. Yes. Now I'm going to be using the Dreamweaver Yaki 10-inch. Now I bought 3 packs of this and I have a pack and a half. No, I actually have 2 packs and a half because the last hairstyle I did, I only used a half a pack. So I am deciding to do some blonde today. My little blonde hair, I missed it. I keep looking back at the pictures on Instagram. So she's coming back. She wasn't cheap, but it's okay. I got it in 613 Yaki and I'm excited. So basically the entire hair will be this color, almost entire, excuse me. I'm going to be doing around the perimeter black just to blend it in, but the middle will be all blonde. And I feel like I put maybe a black piece or 2 in the middle just to mesh. Not too sure if I'm going to do that, but that's the idea I have in my head. The Dreamweaver is a 10-inch one, obviously. So I'm going to begin to style my hair. Okay, so I literally just did 1 row. Now, this is no joke. You do not need a lot of it. It's water-based, so it literally like just re-wet my whole root situation. So I put this on, then I sprayed it, blew dry it. Now it's hard. So I'm going to put the track on top of that. I'm just looking for more options for myself and for anyone who's interested on bonding tracks in, because it's easy, and if you do it right and take it out right, you should be fine. So yeah, I didn't show me taking out my tracks the last time, but all I did was go in the shower, let the water do its thing, and literally I just rubbed and all the tracks came out. So I have to say that the Diamond Bond is bomb, but this is the same thing. You can basically just rinse it all out since it's water-based. So yeah, I'll just keep you posted on maybe my next video. Oh yeah. So all my tracks are in. So I'm just going to lay down my sides and my leave out with some Nairobi just to smooth everything out.
I am so sorry. It was on because of the Uber.
And I'm going to tend to the side and all of that, you know. But I got to cut this hair. Cut the hair. I'm still figuring out how I want it to lay. But I will figure that out in a minute. Let me take care of these sides. So I am finally done. I got some help from the little one. The mister taped me in the back because I did not want it to be kicking up. But the little one helped me with the parting.
Well,
She helped me with the parting. I'm just making sure that everything is smooth. Did I mess it up?
what did you mess up? There you go.
Did I get it? Mm-hmm. It still looks messed up.
You know what?
Is it?
No.
Okay.
You got it.
So that's why before I didn't really care. I used to care too much about my part, and I used to drive myself crazy.
You still care something about it.
This style normally no. The other style, like when it's shorter, I don't really care about the part. But now that it's getting longer, the sides, and I really have to mold it, definitely I'm gonna worry about it. I can't be looking out crazy out of it. But I love Nairobi, so I'll just put more Nairobi. Love some Nairobi. Brush.
Sorry.
You and your daddy, when I'm recording, y'all always make noise. So over y'all. So I'm gonna take my wrap strip. I also put Nairobi up here so that my leave out can be more straighter. I'm gonna do another one for my leave out in the back. My oldie but goodie mesh wrap strip. I've been using these a lot. My first love. They don't sell them anymore. I've been looking all over for these mesh wraps. Because it's hard doing this. It's very like, and then I can't see with the damn hair. Oh, this is a look. Now onto the cutting and curling.
dreaming. Are we dreaming? 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 Are we dreaming?
So I am done. No makeup today, no no makeup. Because I just wanted to do the video and come back. I'm going to do the morning routine and then the night routine. And I'm going to get jazzy for ya. But today I just wanted to be all about the hair. No makeup today. But in my morning routine and my night routine, I will be having on makeup. So you can get the visual and, you know, everything will flow. So I wanted to just thank you guys for subscribing and liking my videos, sharing my videos, putting them in playlists. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm truly, truly grateful.
Thank you for 10,000.
And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
Thank you for 10,000 subscribers.
I already said that in my other video.
Well, I'm saying it now.
How you gonna say it? It's your channel?
Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my mother. I'm being respectful by thanking them. I should get to thank them too.
Goodbye.
Bye.